I have developed this diabetes progression predictor. So using machine learning, I think this entire stuff, whatever the UI you are seeing, I have written it with zero coding. So like how I'm able to do it with zero coding is, for example, before even I'm explaining how I have done with zero coding, now this is the UI where I can interact. I can change the values as I'm changing age value. You're able to see your diabetic progression values, sir. uh, they are changing as I'm changing my sex values or I'm changing my BMI value. You're able to see the value got from 188 to 262. Again, if I start reducing it, you're able to get it around 179. And again, here, as I'm changing it, you're able to see your model performance like mean squared error, R squared value, and you're able to see which column is having the huge amount of feature importance. So this is completely, we are doing it with the help of our regular machine learning, and with a Streamlit, we are able to develop it. And in order to do this, I have used literally zero coding. So how I am able to do that is by using a new code editor, which we are calling it as Cursor AI. So by using this cursor.ai, this is my code editor. By using this code editor, I have just done it. Now, if you are looking into it, it is more the look and feel wise, it is completely more like your regular VS Code. So now when you are installing this cursor.ai, you are able to, it is going to ask you, means which editor you want to go for. For example, VS Code or Sublime or Atom, you can select the right code editor. And once you select it, in case if you are already using VS Code, so it's going to say, hey, do you have any extensions? If you even say, yes, all my extensions which are available, so within my VS Code, the same extensions I need to have it even within this cursor.ai, you're able to just do that. Now let me walk you through this. Now I just want to create a new file. So if I want to create a new file, I'm just creating new text file. Here I got it. Or what you can do is you are able to start creating a file. For example, if I'm just trying to save it, file, save as. Now I want to save, for example, data analysis .ipynb. I want to create a IPython notebook. If I click on it, the moment I gave IPYNB, you're able to see my Jupyter extension is available. So I got this cursor.ai. This is not VS Code, it's a cursor.ai. Now I want to write a code. For example, I don't know which libraries to import for machine learning. I can simply say Control K. So by selecting Control K, you're able to get new code instructions. Here I can just write import libraries for ML algorithm, and or we can say ML. I want to build a classification. I'm saying ML classification. And if I click on generate, it is able to import me all the necessary libraries, even if I'm new to it. So like here we are able to get import NumPy as this and all that. And then I'm able to simply say accept. So like I accepted it. Now I don't know what these libraries are. Then I can simply say Control L. If I just say Control L, I'm able to open chart and I'm able to ask what exactly these libraries are. Control L. When I gave it, you're able to see this entire stuff is provided by Claude 3.5 Sonnet. And even you have different versions of it. You can go with Cursor Small, or you can go with Claude GPT-4, or you can go with GPT-4 Mini. Any of the GPT model, you can select it. Now here I'm asking why we imported those libraries. So I'm pretty much unsure. So why we imported all that libraries? So it started explaining me. So why we imported NumPy, why we imported pandas, why we have done all that particular libraries. And the next one, for example, this code is good. I got the libraries. Now I just want to import a file. So I want to read, for example, read underscore CSV. I want to read underscore CSV. Automatically, you're able to see while I'm trying to perform read underscore CSV, it is able to give me the completed code. I want to import it. For example, I'm just saying, yes, I want that code. So now I can just read a file. So I'm going to my system and I want to import any dummy data set which is available. Let's say some, I'm taking some common Cleveland data. I'm just going with copy as path, and instead of this, I'm just pasting that and then Control Enter. So now once you gave shift enter, it is saying import pandas is not defined. So let me go back to the top. So here we already imported pandas. So have I imported? Not really. Shift enter. Now I executed pandas, and now let me run this piece of code. I'm able to get the data. Now once I got the data, now I want to analyze it. So in order to analyze it, I'm just saying, so again, Control K, grab hidden insights from the above data set using Seaborn, for example, and the pandas, and click generate. Now I said I want to perform hidden insights, so it is able to perform all these operations. It is able to write the code for all this. And let me start executing this piece of code. So I haven't accepted it. So I need to, have I accepted? Yes, I accepted. And it is throwing me with an error. There is a could not convert string to float. So now, again, I don't know how to clean it. So write, for example, if I want to get a code to clear, if I'm just saying I got the data equal to data dot replace. Yes, I got it. And yes, I want to replace where there are question marks. I want to replace to np.nan. And I want to fill this null values, or I want to drop null values. I just want to see the count of it. So I'm just saying data dot is null dot sum. You're able to get that auto completion as I'm writing. There are like 4 null values in CA column and 2 in tal. For example, I want to drop it. So data is equal to drop NA. Yes, I'm able to get that. I'm able to get drop NA. And again, if I just say data dot info, you're able to get auto completed. And again, if I enter, we are able to see object and object. I want to convert them into numeric. CA, you're able to complete. And tab, again, even I want that info as well. So again, tab, I'm able to complete all the 3 lines, and shift enter. Now again, I want to get the info, data dot info, and again, shift enter. Now you're able to get it. Now, for example, again, I'm saying Control K, perform descriptive analytics on the data, and let's say generate. It is able to give me all sorts of descriptive commands. Great. And if you feel, yes, this makes sense for you, accept, and let me just start executing. It is able to provide me some visualizations and all that. Now, in the similar way, it is able to work with the help of cursor.ai. You don't need to remember the code. You're able to do it with this way. Another way, I can just go back to a new file, and I'm saying, again, Control K, and I'm just trying to say build ML model using sklearn inbuilt data set and Frontend using Streamlit. And if I just click enter, it is able to write down the code for me. This entire stuff, it is importing diabetic data. It is able to write all my stuff. And once it is done, if I feel, yes, this is what I want, click on control. And then you can simply go back to this, and I can run it. So I can just say, I want to save it first. Save as, so ML underscore test1. I'm simply saying Streamlit run ML underscore test1 dot py. And once I run it, yep, you're able to see this is where you're able to get it. In this way, we are able to go back. You can use cursor.ai. So this is your one you need to download, cursor.ai. Go to this, download it. It's free. You can do that. And after certain tokens, there is a payment. In case if you like it, you can start exploring cursor.ai. I hope you got some idea about how this AI code editor is working. So with a very minimal coding, you're able to build a lot of stuff. You can work on coding challenges. You can work on ML. You can do a lot. You can build web dev, all this kind of stuff. So give it a try on this, cursor.ai. Thank you so much. If you like this kind of content, please share it your views in the comment section. Thank you so much.